talk about reels, baby. Okay, do you feel so stuck when you're told to just come up with ideas for reels? Do you feel like you lack the charisma to be on camera or to excel in such a short and punchy video format? Do you just want to do reels when you hear about all these beautiful big numbers that folks are getting when they start using Instagram Reels, but you just don't know where to begin? Listen, let's start with the basics. In this live, we're going to talk about the basic building blocks for coming up with reel ideas and then some actionable things you can do right now to make your first reel. I am a social media manager. Hello, my name is Jenna. I also teach small business owners how to manage their own Instagram in a way that converts to more sales. And my students have had phenomenal success with Reels, so this is really exciting. Here's the thing. When Instagram launches something new, especially something that competes with their biggest competitor right now, which is TikTok, they want to know if it succeeds and they want people using it. So out of all the things that you can be doing on Instagram right now, Reels is the one that's going to get you in front of new people. Why? Because Instagram is going to prioritize your content, okay? So I want you to try and start making Reels on Instagram because I want your business to blow up. Here's what I want you to do. Think about who your target audience is. I could give you hacks for creating Reels, and I mean, you can grab the download that's up in the caption right now to show you how to actually edit your Reels on your phone and try and simplify that for you. But what we really want you to do is start with the fundamentals, which is knowing your target audience so you can create content that reaches and resonates with those people. So grab a pen. We're all grabbing a pen or a pencil. Who is your target audience, okay? Be as specific as possible. And I know, especially for new business owners, this can be tricky because we're like, oh, I've watched so many videos on niching and it's scary and I don't want to do it. So for today, choose your target audience for today. And if it changes tomorrow, that's totally fine. But in order to make this reel you're going to make right now that reaches and resonates with that audience, we're going to decide on who they are. So I'm looking at you. You are a businesswoman who has been in her business for like 3 or 4 years, and she's thinking of taking it full time right now. And this is a big culminating moment, and she's got the support of all of her friends and family. And she wakes up early, but she's always trying to get up earlier. So I'm just going to describe you. I want you to describe your ideal customer. Okay, so do that. Write that down. Perfect. Next, you're going to decide, how do you want to make this person feel? The key to viral content, the key to content that gets seen on any platform by more and more people is it elicits an emotional reaction. You know that meme where you see a little kitten hanging off the edge of a wall and it says, "Hang in there." You've seen this meme, right? Everyone comment if you've seen this meme. So this is a very popular meme because it makes you feel things. It makes you feel empowered and it makes you go, aw. So it's like this meme is so popular. So I want you to take this person, this target audience person, and then I want you to decide how you want to make them feel. Do you want to make them laugh? Do you want to make them go, aw? Do you want to make them angry? Do you want to make them go, oh, same, me, same? Think about how you want to make them feel. Then we're going to create content from there. I have a student in my program who creates, she's an illustrator and she draws flowers, and she draws the national flower of countries and states and that, and her target audience is hikers. So we're like, okay, so we want to make hikers feel excited to hike. Those are her things, her target audience and how she wants to make them feel. So she started this Instagram strategy where she pairs the flower, the state flower, with a hiking trail where you can hike to see that flower, because that's going to make hype. They're going to share it. This is how you reach more people. Okay, so back to Reels. I want you to, secondly, try that. See if you think of something with that. If that doesn't work, try this, or try this as well. I want you to think of something that will resonate with your audience. It's like a joke, or it's something that they would find familiar, just something tiny. I created a reel that got 450,000 views, and it was just things that a small business owner will resonate with. So I thought of putting things on the company card and just pretending that it doesn't matter, or sun tanning in the middle of the day. So I want you to think of something that will resonate with your audience and then make it teeny, teeny, tiny, and then do a 10-second reel that just shows that one thing. Because what that does to your target audience is it goes, this person gets me. This is something I've said before. This is something I've felt before, and this person gets me. So all you need to do is act out that one tiny moment. And people love reels because they're short and punchy. Someone's going to resonate with that. Then they're going to check out your page. They're going to follow you. They're going to buy from you. And then your business is going to explode. This is the journey that we're going on here. Okay, the third way that you can create a reel right now is watch reels. Go to the tab in the very center of your Instagram, watch reels, look at the sound that people are using, and then make your own reel with that sound. Okay, this is how reels works. We hop on trends and then we do the same thing and we copy each other, but we put a tiny little spin of our own on it. So if you see someone doing something you think is funny, literally make that exact same reel using their same audio that they used, but put a tiny spin on it. You're not stealing. This is literally how the platform works once you start watching. And we know that because Reels is ripping off TikTok, and that's how TikTok works. So you're not stealing. This is literally how the game works. You see someone do something, heck, look at one of my Reels on my Instagram. And if you think it's funny, use the sound on your own. So you can add your own text to it, you can add your own personality to it, but you're basically jumping on this same trend. Now, one more nugget that I want you to take with you when you dive into Reels, your Reels are gonna reach an entirely new audience, more than your followers. I have a client right now, she just made a Reel, she has less than 300 followers, she got 4,000 views on her Reel. I have another client, she has 800 followers, she got 900 views. So my clients are getting more views than they have followers, which tells us, and we know this, your Reels are going to be seen by strangers. So I want you to be very clear about who you are. For me, I start most of my Reels with, hi, I'm Jenna and I'm a social media manager, because you're going to be meeting this new audience. So you want to get it out quick, but you want to make sure, whether it's by saying it or showcasing it in some way, who you are and why you have authority, so the viewer knows immediately to trust you. Okay, guys, there's a free download up in the caption right now. I want you to grab it because it's seriously, I'm giving away so much. It's got a free video tutorial on how to use Reels. Some of what I mentioned here is in the email that you're gonna get, just reminders and things to think about so you can create your Reels. You're also gonna get an email with the Instagram Mastery Manual, which is full of tips and tricks for getting more followers, getting more engagements, and creating an Instagram profile that converts to more customers. Yes, it's all free. I'm Jenna, that's it. Thanks for being here. So many viewers, I love it. Have a good one.